Engines: the twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 makes a healthy 641 horsepower, burbles deeply when idling, and absolutely howls under full throttle. Full-time all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission conspire with all that power to enable fantastic acceleration. In our testing, the Urus went from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.2 seconds and tore up the quarter mile in 11.4 seconds at 121 miles per hour. Lamborghini estimates a top speed of 190 miles per hour. The 2019 Urus feels athletic from behind the wheel, steering is quick, and high-speed cornering is stable. Engine type: gas transmission, 8-speed shiftable automatic. Drive type: all-wheel drive. Cylinders: V8 combined. MPG 14. EPA mileage: estate CTY/highway 12/17 MPG. range in miles CTY/highway 237.6/336.6 mi. Fuel tank capacity: 19.8 gal. Valve timing variable. Cam type: double overhead cam. DOHC. Cylinders: V8. Lamborghini Urus Coupe review: wild styling and ferocious performance combined to help the 2019 Lamborghini Urus make an indelible mark on the SUV world. The Urus is Lamborghini's second ever sport ute, and it proves to have been worth the wait. Lamborghini has finally revealed its second foray into the world of SUVs, with the new Urus. Instantly, everyone seems to have an opinion on what Lamborghini is calling the world's first super sports utility vehicle SUV. A lot people don't seem to be huge fans of the styling, and have nitpicked small things like the door handles, which aren't flush with the body. Have a slighter bigger nitpick to deal with. The best SUV in the world must have noteworthy styling, a bespoke interior, unmatched performance, or a legendary driving experience, as well as real-life usability. After all, there's no point building the fastest SUV in the world that only has space for one person and a handbag. The first point of contention with the claim to the best SUV in the world title is with its exterior styling. Interior and technology. Inside, occupants are treated to a dramatic cabin that's classic Lambo jet fighter design. Cues abound, with the start button hiding beneath a red flip cover and the gear shifter looking like a jet's throttle. To the left of the shifter is a small lever that controls the 6 drive modes. To the right is another small lever marked Ego that allows you to customize your settings. Powertrain, steering and suspension: there is plenty of faux suede and carbon fiber trim, while the infotainment system and reconfigurable gauges are straight out of an Audi.